So this is a photo of the kidney. And I like the photo itself. I just don't like the background and the font in it. So first, crop the photo. This would be good cropping. Now this means you have to relabel everything, but that was actually next on my list. I don't know if it is just the picture I did, but if you even look here at the Yarder, this font is just so, they did something, they deleted what was there, probably with the spray tool, and rewrote over it. So all of these need to be cleaned up. Just a clearer fat for it. Just a cleaner, clear font for it. Now these things right here are renal pyramids. Down at the base here, we need to make it more white, like this. Oops, too big. Now, see how this is nice and white? It would be nicer if the rest of the pupilla matched that. Now, I already drew on some, but like here, add that some more, add this some more to make it more clear. This is a separate part from the pyramid. But again, some of these are, this one's fine, this one's fine. So it's only like this one and this one and this one that really need it done to them. Now we're going to need to label the calyxes. So point to these two together and call these minor calyxes. So this is the minor calyx right here. So let me draw it. And the reason I picked these two is you could see it goes into this area, which is the major calyx. So that's the major calyx. Also, when you go to get the picture off of Wikipedia, so a couple more things. I don't know why they made this brown background, but can you just delete the background and make it white as well? And that is what I need done on this photo. Thank you.